Hi everyone, in this video we'll explore the Form Builder app in Businessmap. We'll set up an application, build one form from a ready-made template, and then create a second form using AI. By the end, you'll see how a submitted form turns straight into work on your board. Let's start by opening the Form Builder app. This is where all your forms live, grouped under an application you control. First, we create a new application. We'll give it a clear name like Financial Operation Request, and you can give it a short description too, so your team knows what it's for. We will leave it empty for now. Now here's an important setting. Always run the application as a specific user. We'll choose Samantha. This means every form submission is created on her behalf, so your requests always have a consistent owner. With our application ready, let's click the New Form button. Businessmap gives you 3 ways to start: from a ready-made template, completely from scratch, or by designing a form with AI. Let's start with a template. These are pre-built starting points, organized by department, HR, IT, finance, and more. Let's open the finance category. You can see options like invoice submission and budget approval. We'll pick purchase order, a simple way for someone to request a purchase against a cost center. Next, we choose where submissions should go. We can send them to an existing board or let Businessmap create a fresh one for us. Let's create a new board from the template and place it in our finance operations workspace. We will leave the name that the AI has suggested. Every form submitted will now become a work item right here. Now we should decide what each field does. Some map to your real card fields, the PO title becomes the card's title, and needed by becomes the deadline. Others, like vendor and amount, are description fields. They simply appear in the card's description. The template has sensible defaults already set, so we can just review and move on. Now we can see all the fields laid out one more time and refine whatever we want. Drag in a heading, add a field, or reorder. Let's go ahead and save the form and enable it. And that's it. The form is now live. Once we've done that, let's make the form visible for everyone on a dashboard. To do that, let's grab the form key to embed it and head back to the dashboard where we will paste that key in. And there it is. The purchase order form is live on the dashboard, so all of our team members can start using it from a central place. When someone on the team fills in their purchase, the vendor, the amount, and the cost center, the request is on its way. And over on our brand new purchase orders board, that submission has become a work item. But what if you don't want to spend time manually creating a form? Don't worry, because with AI, you can describe what you need and watch your form turn live. Let's ask for an expense reimbursement form with the employee's name, the amount, and a short description. In just a moment, the AI drafts a full form from that description. From here, it's the same flow you already know. We choose where submissions land. This time we'll route them to our existing expense requests board. And since we picked an existing board, we choose the workflow, column, and lane where each submission should land. We take a quick look at the fields and continue into the builder. The AI gets us most of the way there, and this is where you'd refine it if you wanted. Let's add another field to our form. We'll add a date field so people can tell us when the expense happened. With that in, we save, enable it, and our second form is live too. And it doesn't stop at dashboards. You can add the form to a whiteboard on your workboards as well. Same as before, copy the embed key, then add it through the widget option. And there it is, live on the whiteboard. If we fill it in, give the request a title, add Samantha as the employee, and so on, we can see how the submission lands as a work item in the workflow's requested column. Essentially, wherever your team plans and collaborates, requesting work has just become a breeze with Businessmap's Form Builder. Now it's your turn. Create an application, build a form from a template, from scratch, or with AI, and connect it to your board. If you get stuck, check out our quick tip videos or reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.